Hey, sorry for the slower than usual start. Um, it's it's a day. We're gonna get Techno Wax on. We're gonna keep grooving to the same music from this morning. Get that royalty-free drum and bass music humping, and let's take a look. How we doing? Okay. Gonna power cycle the treadmill. Fantastic. This is not my jam. We're gonna skip this one. Cool, cool. So we're back. And we're gonna sort of continue from where we left off this morning. And that was trying to get Project Gluten's UDF, trying to create a UDF to use with Project Gluten, and that means writing C++ code that we can call from Spark, and specifically our own C++ code, rather than one of the gluten built-ins. Now, I've got some questions, of course, which we'll explore as we go along this. And one of them is like, hey, if we have a UDF that's both registered in Java and in gluten, how does the resolver handle that? I want to, obviously play with that. And we'll go and explore that and go down that path. It's cold. I mean, I'm in California, so it's not that cold, but it's a little cold in the house right now. So I've got some warm water and a jacket on, and I'm gonna walk on this treadmill, and hopefully, that'll warm me up a little bit, and we'll keep going. Keep going. Alternatively, I have to figure out how the furnace works, and or, oh wait, yeah, this room doesn't, whatever, okay, long story. Not super important. Let's get into it. So, what are we gonna do? Okay, yeah, this is high-performance Spark stuff. But we're gonna go back to our examples, high-performance Spark examples. Oh, morning, Han Sohai. So the thing that I added that we were missing this morning was on another computer, and that's the setup gluten shell script. So we're gonna edit that a little bit. Ooh, Kerberos is rough, but good luck. Oh, this really takes me back. The last time I did Kerberos was probably 2009. What are you doing Kerberos for or with? Oof, that's a rough deadline. Okay. KW. Oh. Oh, cool. Okay. Sorry. I thought Kerberos related. Yeah. Okay, let's go back here. So if gluten doesn't exist, then we need to git clone it and build it. Yeah, seems reasonable. Okay. Oh God. I mean, I don't even remember. I'm sorry. My memory, I don't remember setting up Kerberos. I did it, or I helped do it. But it has been so long. So long. Okay. We've got our setup gluten. Oh, right. Okay. And we were going to The other thing that we were doing was working on this run SQL example. Yeah. What were we gonna do? Oh yeah, I need to make sure that gluten itself also exists. Yeah, not in the spark jars. Not super what I wanted. I wanted the, like, big combined one. I guess this is... although that's the test. Let's go take a look at the Project Gluten instructions. Project Gluten GitHub. About building our own gluten. Okay. So, custom built. Yeah. So I don't see the gluten bundle jar. Which that's a thing. Well, let's get started. Yeah. Gluten exists equals true. Okay. Gluten JVM jar. Okay, let's go read the build with Velox backend example. Okay. Yeah. So I'm like 90% sure that this is not actually going to be enough. Yeah, because that's what we've done. And that doesn't actually, as far as I know, build what I need. Interesting. What? Oh, okay, that, oh. Okay, looks like my, yeah, okay. Okay, oops. Oh, wait. Whatever. Okay. Take a look at this. Whatever. TBD. Then the other thing is, like, we want to selectively enable more tests. Although I guess really, oh, cool. God damn it. Okay, so I guess some new things are added, most likely. And because I still don't have, I can access to the test environment. Annoys me. Especially given that the tests like don't run easily locally for this thing. We don't know where that is. Okay, so this is new. So let's go find that. Commit. Yeah, cool. So we are going to run clean package on this. Hopefully that does the trick. Yeah. Alexa, when is my alarm? Alexa, create a 6:20 alarm. Evening. Cool. Yeah. Okay. Well, this is going to take a hot minute either way. So one of the things that I find interesting, I've got these jars. So, or, yeah. Well, yeah. But none of them are matching, like, the format that I'm, like, kind of expecting here, which is, yeah. Okay. So, okay. Okay, cool. That's great. I guess let's. I'm suspicious of this claim, but let's go take a look. Where is this thing used? Where is this referenced? Build depths Velox. Yeah, that doesn't. Okay. Build Velox. So you're saying go here and I run this with build Velox backend on, and this doesn't even take that command. Build Velox does. Okay, what does happen inside of gluten dev? Okay, VCP. Yeah. Ah. Okay, I guess let's try it, right? I don't know. So we want to set this to be true because then it's like less painful, I guess. And also, sure. Gluten, set up gluten. So then I guess let's go over here. So in theory, if we do this, my jar file is going to contain whatever it is that I want. I don't know about that, but let's hope that works. Let's try it. And then I guess we rerun the Java build, and that'll hopefully do its thing. Let's and by do its thing I mean package the jar together with the shared object file. Albeit I don't know which jar it is. But okay, that's gonna take a hot minute. But okay, that's in theory, I guess. God damn it! Why the fuck is this beeping so much? Ooh, the fuck! Alexa, turn off Holden's speakers. That solved the problem. Okay. So that's fine. And then I guess, so in theory, our, like, jar name will be something like this. Although I don't know what actual the jar name is going to be. So, okay. It's going to be a bit of a guess. I guess we can go back to our shell script for running the SQL scripts. Yeah, TBD, I don't actually know. Whatever. So, okay, yeah, bash backup string contains another string. I have no idea. Oh, cool. Okay. If gluten exists, true, or is not equal to star gluten only, then keeping since we did not find gluten and this is a gluten only example. Okay. Fine. This is fine. So oh yeah, okay. And the setup. There we go. So this should at least initially fail in CI. So we don't have gluten installed. Does this sound right? Yeah. Yeah, okay. There we go. So that will run something SQL gluten only sample udf.sql. Okay, let's go find the gluten udf sample. Gluten+Velox UDF sample. Okay. Yeah, UDF. So, okay, our sample is my UDF1. So we're gonna try this. And we're gonna go over here to run SQL examples. We're going to add extra things, and these are going to be except we can need the name. Conf dash files native with path. Yeah. And okay, local is equal to and here so there we go. Processing gluten. Spark extra. Okay. Gluten Spark extra. Gluten Spark extra. Gluten exists is equal to true. Okay. This is probably going to fail, but let's run our shell script. Ooh. Interesting. This fails to build. Okay, so I guess we're not going to use VCPKG or whatever because it's not happy. So let's go back here. Set up gluten. And we're gonna have to like add multiple things to it, which that's fine. It would be great if they gave me like more examples here, but that's also like I'm pretty, yeah, this is pretty common for me to not do that either. Like especially, ooh, Kerberos. Um, oof, yeah, okay. So, where's this ECP? Okay, great. Then you need to add the jar to extra class path and set this. Okay. So we need to set that. And what else do we need to set? We need to set gluten-package. Okay. Git fetch. Git class A. Git checkout. What is this? Is it fix? Pretty sure this is the branch I want. We're going to cherry pick it over. Log, great. Dash, cherry pick. We run this. Oh god, my wrists. We still don't know what the jars are going to be called. Actually, is that true? I think we do. Gluten. Or I think we should know what the jars are called. So it says that like our extra thing is going to be gluten-package dash gluten package dash I'm pretty sure it's going to be this one, but I could be wrong. That's it's probably this one then, I guess. Gluten dash gluten JVM jars. Actually, wait, I think if I do that should do the trick, but I feel like only gluten dash jar is needed. Otherwise, but yeah, okay. Let's take a look. Gluten dash one. That jar, this like gluten, we've got gluten core, got gluten data, but we don't have this like assembly jar type thing. I don't know which jar it is we need to be including. Is it going to be substrate? Is it going to be the Velox backend? Like, ideally, these would all be getting linked together. Like, okay, yeah, this is a thing. And that is all linked together. I'm confused as to which jar it is we should be doing. But you know what? Um, uh, um, within JVM jar. Okay, I don't think this is gonna work, but let's run it and see it fail. At least that's like something that we can do. Ah, yeah, okay. Similarly here, we need to do this conditionally. Run SQL examples.sh and status. We are going to do, this is our is that the right one? Yeah, yeah. Okay. Cool. So yeah, nothing there. Not the most surprising. So here we go. Setting up the env. Carrot. It's great. And then gluten native lib. So okay. Gluten native. Yep. That $sign needs to be over there. Okay. Gluten for home is equal to native src gluten. Okay. Gluten for home. Okay. Okay. Native src gluten. Oh wait, no. Okay, no, actually it's right here. Gluten home is just right here. Okay. So okay. Acceptance of SQL file here. It's $1. Okay. is it not equal to quote unquote gluten only? And then that fails. So I guess, wait, I need to put the stars outside. That makes sense, yeah. Over here. Okay, cool. Okay. Not too surprising. We're missing a bunch of native libs. I don't love that, obviously. Um, so, fuck. So, okay. We've got our good friend load from jar. We've got this extra jar file that's being added, right? And then, okay. So, yeah, I need to add the jar to the extra class path. Now, in theory, this is already added automatically. But wait, I don't. Okay. Let's go take a look. Yes. Extra entries to put there, but it's not going to copy that. Okay. So spark.jars, which can try that too. Like these changes shouldn't be needed, but we're gonna try them out because, hey, who knows, right? Okay, I didn't do the trick either. I'm right because this is saying that I need to add. Let's go back here. Gluten-package, which that's the bundle. Okay, gluten-package. Let's try and find the gluten package jar. Okay. I don't know. Let's try it. Alexa, stop. Alexa, create a 5-minute timer. Okay, and they're also saying that I have to do it with this property. I don't think that's true, but you know what? I'm probably gonna file an issue. We're gonna do it their way first, or not first. We're gonna include okay, so this is the Like, this just doesn't make sense to me. Like, which jar do I use? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and file an issue. An issue is going to be like the docs aren't clear, because GitHub gluten um, um, new issue. Is this a build problem or enhancement? Bug report. Let's go with bug report. Doot doot doot. Building local velox results in. Actually, before we do that, let's go ahead and because we got an error message. Let's see. Lib boost context. Nope. We'll try. Yeah. Okay. It was worth a shot. Never know. New issue. Bug report. Locally built. Velox fails with when following expected behavior and actual behavior. Expected behavior Spark 305. Gluten, JVM. What is this? Package is equal to and then gluten dash. Package, comma, gluten JVM package, then JVM package. Dot driver dot gluten JVM package. 90% sure that we don't need this, but like I said, if we're going to file a bug, follow their instructions. Cool. Backtick. Preview. Not inaccurate. Okay. Great. Okay. Doot. Following the guide that you know, the, the names are not 100% clear. The best guess. Best guess. Happy to be corrected. Of note, though, file sizes are suspiciously similar between the one that supposedly had the depth other. 67 MB. Cool. Okay, great. We filed an issue. That's as much as we're gonna do. We are gonna go ahead and jump on over to the King of Pants on Twitch, and we've made some progress today. Let's go ahead, get diff. Okay. Make some more progress to integrating Gluten into our example. Fantastic. And we push it, and that's great. Yeah, let's go jump on over to King of Pants. Anyone who is so inclined on Twitch, I hope you follow. If you're on YouTube, of course, feel free to bounce on over to Twitch or whatever. But as always, everyone, thank you so much for chatting. Greatly appreciate it. And it's been great. I'm gonna go make dinner and listen to